beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. So in this week's video we're going to try another hairstyle. We are going to be installing a straight wig. It's a 4x4 frontal wig. And it's 10 inches. So let's see how we can get around installing this. And I'm going to bleach the lace. The front is good. It's plucked, but I'll just pluck a little bit more. And then we'll go ahead and install it. When it comes to plucking the hairline, I'll pluck out just excess hair because already the front was pre-plucked for me. So there's not too much work there I'm doing, just making it extra neat because I want my front or the hairline to look natural. Then I'll use hair mousse to define my middle part. It's already defined. To lay it down and make it look beautiful, I'll use that mousse. Then I go ahead and use a hot comb.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper.
Once I'm done with that, I will straighten the hair even more. I'm not using a very high heat because it's a human hair wig. I'm still taking care of it like I would for my natural hair.
Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad.
So I'm straightening as I comb, just so I can have a neat straight wig at the end of my job.
Guys smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know.
Now you can find this straightener on our website, zillions.com. We sell it there. And that's the preparation I did on my wig to make it look nice and generally ready for the installation. Now, when it comes to my head, I went ahead and made cornrows. Then I'll use this wig cap. Now, I want this wig cap to be straight or flat on my head. I'll use this got-to-be glue to hold it. And then I'll dry the glue. Once everything has dried, I'll go ahead and cut the excess part of the cap. We don't need it. And we want to have our wig cap to be as flat as it can get. Then I'll clean my forehead. Then I'll go ahead and use this wig glue. Now this is Zillion's hair wig glue. We sell it on our website too. You can find it there. I'm using those are like 2 layers of the glue. So I'm spreading it out so well between my forehead and the wig cap. And I want to make sure that it has dried completely before I continue. Now, I went ahead and bleached my wig cap and the lace on the wig because I don't want any contrast between the wig and my skin. So everything has to blend. I used my foundation to blend everything or to bleach everything. Yeah, then I went ahead and put on the wig. I will go ahead and try to position it. Yep, just like that.
still think about.
I love the lace. It's a nice lace. It's blending in my skin, which is good. Now, these 4x4 wigs are really good and beginner friendly. So anyone trying wigs for the very first time, these are recommended wigs to begin with. I'll go ahead and tie the edges so everything sticks well. Yep, just like that. That's what we want. So these are very easy wigs to work with, as I was saying before, together with glueless wigs. So for anyone beginning out, these are a good idea to start with. Then as I'm cutting out the lace, I want to make sure that I'm careful I'm not cutting too much, just enough of the lace.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say are you a sinner or I begin.
Now I'll be using this eyebrow blade to cut the lace because we want to have a zigzag shape at the front, and this can be achieved with the eyebrow blade because it has a zigzag blade. So it's very easy, and it gives you the shape that you want with your front lace.
Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you burning me up. Yeah, you're playing the Beatles. You got my high school t-shirt on. It's looking so easy. You killing my.
Now all the excess lace that you may get, you clear it out. You clean, you cut as much as you can to make sure you're achieving what you're looking for, just like what I'm doing here. That's it. So I love my front.
Headphones with that song, the way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're.
Now the remaining lace that is showing out in the corners, I will use this glue to lay it down. Just like that.
After, yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola light. And putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love.
Yeah, so everything has been laid down. Let's see what we have. That's it. I love my front. I love the hairline. The way it has blended very well with my skin.
A confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, warm nights, dive bars, burning me up, you burning me up. Yeah, you're burning me up. White lies and scars.
Yeah, I love this wig. I love how easy it was to install. The way it has blended so well in my skin. That was so beautiful. I really enjoyed recording this tutorial. I hope anyone beginning can be able to do it at this point because I went step by step and very slowly. So for anyone who is new to our channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for coming by. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Those who are returning, thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for the support.
Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka cola.
I added some more mousse to further hold any flyaway hair that I was seeing. On the camera, I think you wouldn't see, but when I looked in the mirror, I would see it. Yeah, and I went ahead and further flattened or straightened the hair.
And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love
I love how it just turned out so well, so natural.
a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out.
Yes, so I love how it turned out. So beautiful. Guys, what do you think? Give me a thumbs up for having slayed this wig. We got it so well, so perfectly done. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.
A confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies,
Yeah, so we have come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much for coming by.
white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out.
I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.